Show the video to anyone, please.
Okay, move out of the light. Move out of the light.
This is for work. We're trying to get your mom a job.
She wants a job.
That's
Yeah,
what
I mean, but she's not covered.
This is for work, not for covering.
this is for. Am I video? I am videoing. Okay.
Mama.
You could get a job at the pizza place.
You're really.
Musa, what's up?
Hi. Hey, Mom, I have to go to work.
هلا ماما.
Yeah.
دير بالك.
Okay. Bye. Bye, guys.
How long does it take them to cook?
Because I can't make, the fire is fast. It's burn.
How long does it take it to cook?
Take like
2-3 minutes.
2 minutes. Done.
What do you put the pillow on top?
Because I want to put it tea.
It's hot.
Very hot. I can't do by my hand. It's easy also. But here is coming circle is good.
How's your back today?
What do you call these things?
Cobalt bread.
Saj bread.
Sauce, yeah.
Saj?
S-A-J.
Where do you buy that cooker like that?
Huh?
Where do you buy a cooker like that?
This Chinese.
Chinese?
Chinese store.
Is it a wok?
No?
No. Is this not real Saj? Not like the Saj. This for fry.
Wow. How many do you make?
You might want to come out here, Alan. I've got good light. Are you going to cook any of the other kind? The small ones with the green on top?
Okay.
I don't know. What you made yesterday?
The attar, huh?